I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying access and prerequisites so nothing blocks progress. First, sign into your Empower account and complete 2FA. This secures your session. Once done, install or update the Empower app to the latest release to avoid compatibility issues. Make sure to grant essential permissions, location, notifications, and storage, because Empower uses them for core features. You'll save time and prevent errors later by handling these items now, before moving into configuration and workflows. You now configure Empower's core features to match your workflow. Start by creating or editing profiles. Enter name, role, preferences, and adjust sync intervals so data refreshes at useful rates. Next, connect integrations using OAuth. Link your calendar, email, and cloud storage to enable seamless data flow. Then customize dashboards, add widgets, set thresholds and alerts, and apply color tags so information is scannable. As you make each change, test one flow end-to-end to confirm settings behave as expected. You complete setup by running final checks and preparing for ongoing use. Test workflows, verify backups, and confirm user permissions so everyone has appropriate access. When ready to deploy changes, schedule maintenance windows and notify users to minimize disruption. If something goes wrong, follow one key troubleshooting tip. Clear the app cache, re-authenticate accounts, and then check server or API status. These steps resolve most sync and permission errors. Finally, document your configuration and communicate any manual steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.